You are not just you. You are home to trillions of bacteria, a bustling alien metropolis inside your gut. This city is your microbiome, and it keeps you alive. It helps you digest food, train your immune system, and it even produces hormones. But when it's unbalanced, everything starts to break down. You feel tired, you get brain fog, your mood crashes. The cause might not be in your head, but in your gut. Imagine your gut like an ancient rainforest, diverse, complex, balanced. Kill off one species, and the whole ecosystem collapses. Antibiotics, ultra processed foods, chronic stress, these are just some of the causes. They wipe out all the good microbes and let the bad ones take over. It's like giving your gut city to a corrupt dictator. But the rainforest can regrow. Fermented foods, fiber, diversity in your diet. These are the seeds that replant the microbiome so your gut city can heal. So maybe the next time you feel off, anxious, or exhausted, ask yourself, how's my gut doing? Because you're not just one organism, you're an entire ecosystem, and what you feed will shape who you become.